Factor 14a squared minus 43a plus 20. Okay, so a times c, 14 times 20 is 280, and b equals negative 43. So because c is positive, but b here is negative, that means that both of these numbers we're trying to find, in order to split this up into two numbers, they're both going to be negative. So 280, that's a large number. So how are we going to figure this out? First, let's break this up into two factors. So we know that 140 times 2 will give us 280. However, negative 140 minus 2 does not give us negative 43. So let's keep going. So how about 140 divided by 2 gives us 70. So that would make it 70 times 4, also equal 280. However, negative 70 minus 4 does not give us negative 43. So let's keep breaking it down. Let's divide this in half again. So we have 35 times 8. 35 times 8 gives us 280, and negative 35 minus 8 does add up to negative 43. So negative 35 and negative 8 are going to be our numbers. So we're going to solve this the same way we've been doing. 14a squared minus 43a plus 20. Then we're just going to split the middle number into negative 35a minus 8a plus 20. Then we group them like this. So we have this negative 8a and a positive 20, but that means if we want to group them like this, we're going to have to change this plus sign into a negative. So that's how that will look. Let me erase this plus sign. Okay. So we flipped the signs inside of here. Now, what greatest common factor can we take out here? Is 14 a factor of 35? No, it's not. So what's the second largest factor of 14? 7. Is 7 a factor of 35? Yes, it is. So we can take 7 out. And we also have an a squared and an a. And as we know, that means we can take out a, the variable with the lower degree. So 7a taken out front leaves us with 2a here minus 5. And then we have 8a minus 20. So that greatest common factor here is 4, because 4 is the greatest common factor between 8 and 20. So we can take a 4 out front, and that leaves us with 2a minus 5. And as you can see, we now have a 2a minus 5 in both of the terms. So we can take that out front. And what does that leave us with? 7a minus 4. So this is our answer. Let's see the answer choices. And we see 7a minus 4 times 2a minus 5 is a.